everyone. I'm Ahsan from Learn English with Ahsan, and today I'm back with my second video, which is going to be about present simple. This is our second video and the first video on our 12 tenses of tenses made easy by Ahsan Khan, obviously. So let's begin. First of all, let's try to understand what exactly present simple is, okay? So, according to definition, it says, we use it to talk about an action that is happening all the time or exists now. Whenever you talk about any action that occurs regularly, means again and again, it maybe happened in the past, it is happening right now, or it is happening these days, or it will happen in the future, and it will happen in the future too. So that action, that repeated action that happens regularly, usually, that repeated action we represent in present simple. So, for example, I go to school. This is the action that happens regularly every day, maybe. I go to school every day. It does not happen just one time, but it repeats itself. It happens again and again. So, I go to school. This is basically a present simple sentence. Now, let me give you some examples. I go to school. Okay, this is something that happens regularly. Let's say every day too. I go to school every day. Another sentence. I am a student. I am a student. Now, this is something that exists now, or it's a universal truth, or it's a fact. So, present simple can also be used to represent a fact or a universal truth. I can give you another example. The sun is hot. This is again a universal truth, right? This is a fact too, by the way. Now let's try to understand its formula, that how we can make the sentence for present simple. Present simple, the formula is pretty easy peasy. It begins with subject plus verb first form plus object plus etc. Now, etc could be every day, every morning, every week, etc. So, let's say I make a sentence here for you. Subject, let's say I, and then verb first form, go, and then object. Subject means the person or something that is doing the work. So who is doing the work? I means I'm doing the work, right? And what work I'm doing, what the verb I will use, it's go. And now the object. What is object? Object is something that the work is done on. For example, where I'm going to school. I go to school. So to school will be object. School will be object, by the way. So, yeah. And then etc. I go to school every day. I, subject, go to is a verb, school is an object, and every day is etc. Now let's go to our next formula. The second formula is subject plus is are plus like we say I'm a student object. Okay, I am a student. So again, like I is the subject, am comes in the formula, obviously, because am goes with I. I am a student. Student will be an object. Okay, so these are the two formulas to understand present simple. Now, present simple could be in negative form and could also be in the interrogative form. Now, let me not make you confused here. Negative form means no sentences, such as I go to school. It's a positive sentence, right? It's affirmative. So I don't go to school. This is negative. I don't go to school. This is negative. Do I go to school? This is interrogative, means question sentence. Let me make these sentences for you. I don't go to school. This is negative for present simple. Do I go to school? And obviously there should be a question mark. This is interrogative. Okay? So this is what we call present simple. It's very easy peasy. Now, if you want to make the negative and interrogative for the second formula, you can do that easily too. You just have to put not there for negative. I am not a student. This is negative. And for interrogative, am I a student? This is interrogative, okay, which is the question sentence, obviously. So now you understand what exactly the present simple is. The definition says we use it to describe something that happens again and again, that happens all the time, in the past, in the present, and even in the future. And it could also describe the universal truth or the fact. For example, the sun is hot, or I'm a student, I'm a teacher. So this is what we call present simple. I hope you understood this lesson. If you liked it, then please don't forget to like. And if you have any further question, you can leave a comment below. And please don't forget to share and subscribe. So that's all for today. Take care. Bye for now.